Hi, my name is Ray Nugent with Nugent Appraisal Service, and we're a family-owned personal property appraisal firm, and we've been in business since 1976. We produce USPAP compliant certified appraisal reports that insurance companies accept, government agencies like the IRS, and the courts. Now, personal property is all of the personal items in and around your home or your business. That would include fine art, antiques, collectibles, memorabilia, jewelry, rugs, firearms, on and on. The hundreds of items that you live around every day. In a business, it would include inventory, equipment, furnishings, and so on. Today I want to spend just a couple minutes and talk about how and why we deliver our services for estate settlement and equitable distribution. Okay. Now, for estate settlement, what we do is certify the value of the assets on a date of death and produce a report that the IRS will accept. So a determination can be made if the total of the assets meet an estate tax threshold. Now, for what we call equitable distribution, when the total assets may not meet that threshold, we produce a third-party, independent, disinterested report that will allow all of the parties, the beneficiaries, to understand the value of the assets so they can make some equitable distribution decisions. Okay? Now, the appraisal process involves an examination of the assets on site, where we gather digital images and descriptions. We bring the information back to our office. We analyze. What we do is we compare the items to other exact or similar like kind and quality items that have recently sold. Again, that's called the market comparison approach to value. That's the methodology that allows the report to meet the highest industry standard. There's many cases where we don't actually need to come on site to do an examination. There may be limited number of items where you can provide information to us, say purchase receipts, maybe previous appraisals, documents of provenance. That will allow us to identify the items, and then we can certify the items. Of course, there's a cost savings for that. So either way, whether we come on site or whether we receive information from you, we produce a certified appraisal report that meets the highest industry standard. Okay? Now, what I'd invite you to do is contact us so we can understand what your specific need is. And then what I'll do is I'll inform you of how we can meet that need and answer all of your questions. And we'll talk about, of course, our compensation. We issue formal letters of engagement that spells out our service and how we're going to deliver the report. And ultimately what we want to do and what we do every day is we produce a report that meets the highest standard so you can rectify any problems with the IRS or tax issues, and also so you can make some decisions for equitable distribution.